KeyDigital, the experts in digital audio visual and control systems.
Hey everybody, this is Dan O'Donnell with KeyDigital, and we have a special guest at our Infocom booth all the way from Canada, where it's nice and warm, right? Is it warm now?
Always warm. Always warm.
It's always warm in Canada, in Ontario. So Mr. Eric Sidles from Tomahawk AV, he is a seasoned commercial AV integrator, does installs all over the country, all over North America as well, and just wanted to share some of the experiences he's having with KeyDigital for you all, so you could hear it firsthand directly from someone who's been in the field, commissioning systems, getting his customers excited about selling technology and getting the best experience possible. So let me hand it over to Mr. Tomahawk AV.
Hey, how's it going? One thing I'll say about KeyDigital is we found that reliability is always, with everybody's sites, one of the biggest issues that everyone worries about. And to this day, we have still not had one issue with any KeyDigital product. We probably install a couple hundred balins a year. We use their matrix switches very often. And the nice thing is, you don't always need crazy control programs to run them. If you take their matrix switches and their AV over IP adapters, they have a free app which you can also control, and you don't need any programming, which we found to be pretty solid. So if you're just looking for a rock solid, stable product, you're going to work end to end. It's kind of our go-to. So yeah.